Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my Type-C to HDMI or DisplayPort adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Check it out. So you got your Type-C here, and then you got your HDMI and DisplayPort on there. So this comes in handy, especially like if you're trying to present something from like your new iPhone or your iPad, computer, anything like that, and they only have either DisplayPort or HDMI. This is the adapter you're gonna need. I actually do need to use this for my iPad to display something onto the TV that doesn't have the AirPlay option. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up and see how it works. All right, so I got my adapter here, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the HDMI part of it. And we're gonna actually hook it up to my laptop that I have right here. We'll plug that into the Type-C. And there it is. So you can see it's plug and play. You don't need any extra drivers or anything. It literally will just pull up everything that you have. Doesn't matter if it's Windows, Mac, your iPhone, iPad. It'll pull it right up just like this. Super simple to use. And as you can see, the quality is actually really good. So if you guys are looking for a new Type-C or DisplayPort to Type-C adapter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.